Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve on TV. The screen just keeps on loading, right? So how you can solve it? Well, basically there are some of the solution which I'm going to show you. The very first thing, that if you get this option that you have denied access to your device, then there is a solution for it, and I will show you each solution one by one. So let's first of all, you will see this URL, right? Once you click over here, just click on this settings icon. In Google, you will, if you're using a Chrome or any other browser, you will find it somewhere here, right? So you have to just go to here. Once you go to here, you have to make sure you just turn on the camera. Once you turn on the camera, let me hide mine. So once I allow this, right, you will able to see. I will just reload this, and once I reload, you can see that my screen will be keep working, right? So yeah, you can see that my screen started to work, right? This is how you can fix it. Let me just turn off right now, and then I will show you another solution for it. But still, if you're facing an issue, then there could be one more thing. You have to just go to a new tab, and here you have to type warp. Once you type here warp, you will get this, and this is called VPN. So you can just download it, whether it's depending upon your operating system. If you don't download this, there is a one more solution that is called Chrome extension. So basically, the solution which I'm trying to show you